What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's CLOUDOM in your neighborhood. It's 4 AM, I am getting ready for work. I haven't put on a makeup lately because I have to put on a surgical mask during the work. One day I had a makeup on, and when it's the lunchtime, I took off the surgical mask and I looked completely different around here. And I was so embarrassed, so I stopped put on a foundation on since then. But the most famous beauty YouTuber in Japan, Marilyn, introduced the innovative foundation that doesn't come off at all. It's from Marsh Field. So I wanna try it on and see how it works. Before that, I put on a Sofina Prima Vista. Okay, let's put on the foundation on. I think I'm gonna film it myself when it's lunchtime. Stay tuned. Hi guys, it's an experiment of my new foundation. Doesn't it really come off? Let's try. Okay, it does. But overall, I think it's pretty fine. The foundation is still on it. It's a bit red around here, but it's not really completely different person, so it's okay. It's 5 PM and it's been 13 hours since I put this foundation on from Marsh Field. Let's reveal what's going on behind this surgical mask. Ta-da! It's literally brown. And as you can see, this area looks like I was punched in the face. The foundation is completely gone. Maybe it works on girls, but it doesn't on my juicy, crispy face. If you know any good products, let me know. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe as well. See you next video guys. Bye!